Hey, Gary Baker here, 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're going to talk about how to promote Warrior Plus product links and how to use YouTube to make money online. The question has been posed to me based upon a few of my other videos. I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner. You can check out the playlist on all my Warrior Plus videos about how to actually promote the link once we get approved. So, you can see here yesterday and today I've made $34.61 in affiliate sales. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to promote this Warrior Plus product and the link that was given to me once I was approved. So we'll go ahead and we'll just go to Affiliate Daily Stats. And you can see right here, Affiliate Book Mastery by Ken Bluntman. 3 hops, 2 sales, 67% conversion, $11.54 per hop, and $17.31 per sale for a total of $34.61. So, Affiliate Book Mastery. So what I did is I used my YouTube channel to create a review video and then add a bonus to get people to want to purchase this product through my link. Let me show you how this works. So under Affiliate, you go to Offers, and you come under Offer Title, and you're going to put in Affiliate Book Mastery. You're going to search for that. You can see right there, Affiliate Book Mastery, number of sales currently, conversion rate. You can see all the great information here about visitor value, average sale, 0% refund rate, doing really good right now. Then you can see here, get link. This means I was approved. Again, I cover getting the link, how to get the link in the videos in the description, as well as the card up in the right-hand corner. So I'm going to go ahead and click link there. You can see this is the product link that I'm going to be promoting. So I'm going to show you exactly where I set up this product link on my bonus page to link to the sales page to get credit for this affiliate sale. So let's pop over to YouTube and take a look at my video first. Okay, here we are on YouTube. I'm just going to quickly search for Activity Book Mastery Review. You'll see here this comes up with some suggested products at the top, which are ads. And you're going to see 1, 2, 3. There is my review in the top 3. So we'll go ahead and we'll just click on that. That'll load up. We'll pause that right there. Then this is going to be my review right here, Activity Book Mastery Review plus bonus, how to create books to make money selling on Amazon. And you're going to see Get Activity Book Mastery and bonus. Click this link. Of course, this link is https 30minutemarketing.net ABM, which is a short code for Activity Book Mastery. So what I did was I went inside of my 30minutemarketing.net website, which is a WordPress website, and I set up a pretty link to point to my bonus page. Let me just show you that real quick. So here I am in my WordPress dashboard. I'll scroll down here. You can see this is a plugin called Pretty Links. I'll go ahead and click on Pretty Links. That will open up all the links that I have inside here. You can see Activity Book Mastery Review, YT for YouTube, and then I've added a note here, gob.groovepages.com, Activity Book Mastery, which is where I built it inside of GrooveFunnels and GroovePages, which I'm going to show you next. But for now, we're going to click Edit so you can see exactly how this is configured. And as you can see here, the redirection is the default. The target URL, again, is https://gobgroovepages.com, Activity Book Mastery. And you can see here that I use the pretty link ABM, which was just a short code that I came up with for Activity Book Mastery to complete the link, 30minutemarketing.net/ABM. So that's all there is to setting up the redirection inside of Pretty Links on my WordPress website for 30minutemarketing.net. Let's continue. So to set up my bonus page, what I'm using is GrooveFunnels. And of course, you can get a free GrooveFunnels account with a link in the description. So you'll have this to build your bonus page as well. And then I popped into GroovePages. And inside of GroovePages, you can see right here, Activity Book Mastery Bonus. We'll go ahead and click Open Editor. Then you can see right here, this is the bonus page that I created, Activity Book Mastery Bonus. I embedded my video, get all the bonuses listed below, and a Buy Now button. Click on this Buy Now button, and you'll see here inside the editor, under Configure, you're going to see this right here, https://warriorplus.com, and then all the details for my affiliate link to include a tracking code of bonus page. So again, let's go back and work through this one more time. Warrior Plus, affiliate offers. Affiliate offers, Activity Book Mastery. Activity Book Mastery, get link. get link, copy link address. Go ahead, close that, go back to Groove Pages. Inside of Groove Pages, created my bonus page, Activity Book Mastery Bonus, Buy Now button right there. Went ahead, configure, URL, paste that right inside of there. And as you can see, that allows anyone that's watching my YouTube video, which I also embedded here, to click on that Buy Now button and go to the sales page. Let me show you that in action over on YouTube. So here we are back on YouTube. Again, we did search for Activity Book Mastery Review. This is my video. Someone watches the video. I have a call to action in my video, get Activity Book Mastery and Bonus. Click this link. Go ahead, click this link. And there's my bonus page for Activity Book Mastery. Get all the bonuses listed below. When you click this link, Buy Now. Keep scrolling. I have detailed information here about the bonuses, what the bonuses are, what kind of rights you get with the bonuses, and then another button here, Get Now. Of course, when you click that link, Get It Now, guess what's going to happen? You guessed correctly. It jumps over to the activitybookmastery.com sales page, and then all they have to do right there to purchase this product through my affiliate link is go ahead and click Get Instant Access to Activity Book Mastery. You can see there's the price. There's the Warrior Plus button. As soon as anyone clicks on that button to add to cart, they're going to make a purchase. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on that button. And you can see here that they can make the purchase. And of course, I will be credited that affiliate sale as you see in my affiliate dashboard, which you see right there from yesterday and today. And you can see down here the number of sales each day in inside the affiliate daily stats. So it's just that simple. After you get approval, get your link, create value in the form of a bonus, find where people are looking for information or a review the product, link to the bonus page, just like the one you see here. Feel free to model it, improve on it, make it better, and that's how you can make money using YouTube and Warrior Plus with the product links once you get approval. If you'd like to learn this process in complete step-by-step fashion to include building an email list, go ahead, click the link in the description for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start building your own online business using Warrior Plus affiliate links today. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.